How to make a classic tomato sandwich. A tomato sandwich is one of the simplest and most satisfying summer meals. When tomatoes are at their peak, juicy, sweet, and full of flavor, this sandwich doesn't need much else. All you really need is good bread, a ripe tomato, mayonnaise, and salt. Some people add pepper or even a few fresh basil leaves, but even that's optional. It's not fancy, but it hits the spot. Make it for lunch or a quick dinner when the kitchen is too hot to cook. Just let the tomato do the talking. Required equipment: sharp knife, cutting board, toaster, optional, spoon or butter knife. Prep time: prep, 5 minutes. Cook, 0 minutes. Total, 5 minutes. Ingredients. Ingredient: ripe tomato, 1 medium, 150 grams. Sandwich bread, 2 slices, 60 grams. Mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams. Salt to taste. Black pepper, optional, to taste. Instructions: slice the tomato into thick, even slices. If you want, toast the bread lightly. Spread mayonnaise evenly on one side of each slice of bread. Lay the tomato slices on one slice of the bread. Sprinkle salt and pepper if you want on the tomatoes. Top with the other slice of bread, mayo side down. Slice the sandwich in half and serve right away. Nutritional information per sandwich, approximates. Calories, 260. Protein, 5 grams. Fat, 15 grams. Carbohydrates, 26 grams. Fiber, 2 grams. Sodium, 400 milligrams.